Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to deposit money in Bitget. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content. Now let's get this video started. You have to open your Bitget, then skip this ad on the top right corner, close these ads. Now you have to tap on add funds over here. So after doing that, there are many ways through which you can deposit money in your Bitget. The first one is deposit crypto on the top, as you can see. So if you have money in your other wallets or exchanges, then you have to tap on deposit crypto. I will show you how to do that. So suppose I have money in my Binance account. So I want to deposit money in my Bitget from Binance. So what I will do is that choose this deposit crypto and then search for USDT. So I want to deposit USDT. So I will select USDT. Now the next step is to choose the network. Make sure to choose the right network. So here I will choose BEP20, which is Binance Smart Chain, and here we got the address. So just copy this address, then open Binance. After opening the Binance, you have to tap on wallets on the bottom right corner, then tap on withdraw again, then search for USDT. So it's on my coin list, so I will select USDT and then tap on send via crypto network. Over here paste the address which we copied from Bitget, obviously. Then in the network section, select BNB Smart Chain, which is BEP20. So network means a lot, means that you have to choose the correct and the same network, otherwise your crypto might be lost if you choose the wrong network on each side. So after doing that, write down the withdrawal amount which you want to send, then tap on withdraw. So after some moments you will receive money in your Bitget account. Step is to tap on add funds. Then you can buy crypto or you can buy money with credit or debit card. You have to just write down the amount which you want to deposit in your Bitget. After that you have to write down the card details, and then you can easily buy your money from credit and debit card in your Bitget account. And the last one is P2P trading. So tap on P2P trading. You have to select good trader who offers a good price. So their reviews are 100%. So they are a good trader. So what I will do, tap on buy and then write down the amount which I want to buy USDT of. After that, you have to pay them through bank transfer. So tap on bank transfer and then tap on buy USDT with zero fees. As you can see, with 3000 BKR, I can buy almost $10 and then buy USDT with zero fees. So you will have a 15 minutes timer, and within 15 minutes you have to pay them in their preferred bank account through your other bank or e-payments which you have. After that you will receive $10 in your Bitget account, and this is how you deposit money in your Bitget account. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.